Hello, class 9. We are starting with this video with Beehive, chapter number 4, a truly beautiful mind. As the title suggests, you are going to read about very famous personality in the world, Albert Einstein. This chapter is about Albert Einstein. He was a great scientist. The title of the chapter itself, A Truly Beautiful Mind, refers to Albert Einstein. This is a short biography of his life where some of his qualities have been highlighted. Albert's interest in mathematics and physics and also his humanitarian attribute. The title A Truly Beautiful Mind makes one wonder that now can how can a scientist's mind be beautiful? It is so because in this lesson we come across another aspect of Einstein. He was a humanitarian. He advocated world peace, non-violence, and that is why the title refers to him as a truly beautiful mind. I am going to summarize now. Albert Einstein was born on 14th March in 1879 in the German city of Ulm. Till the age of 2.5 years, he could not speak, and when he started speaking, he spoke every word twice. His playmates considered him to be boring, and his mother thought that he was crazy because of the abnormally large size of his head. At school, his headmaster regarded him as stupid and good for nothing, but he proved them all wrong. At the age of 6, at the insistence of his mother, he learned to play the violin. He became a gifted violinist. At the age of 15, his family moved to Munich. He did not feel comfortable with the strict discipline at the school and left it. On completing his schooling, he joined the university at Zurich because the atmosphere there was more liberal and accepted his view, ideas, and concept. He showed more interest in physics and mathematics. He met a fellow student, Mileva Maric, at the university. She was equally intelligent and clever. Later on, they married and had 2 sons, but unfortunately, their marriage did not survive and were divorced in 1990. After completing his education, Albert worked as a technical expert in the patent office at Bonn. Here he worked secretly on his idea on relativity. In 1915, he published his paper on special theory of relativity, followed by the world-famous equation E equal to mc square. In 1915, he published his paper on general theory of relativity, which gave an absolutely new definition to the concept of gravity. This theory made him a famous figure. In 1919, during the solar eclipse, his theory came out to be accurate and revolutionized physics. In 1933, he emigrated to the USA as Nazis had come to power in Germany. He did not want his finding and research to be used for destruction. In 1938, when Germany discovered the principle of nuclear fusion, he was the first person to write to the American president about the dangers of the atomic bombs. In 1945, when America dropped the atomic bomb on Nagasaki and Hiroshima, he was deeply hurt and wrote to the United Nations for the formation of a world government to prevent recurrence of such destruction. He spent his later days in politics and advocating world peace and democracy. He died at the age of 76 in the year 1955. So this was the summary of the chapter. So I have given the explanation of the complete chapter. Okay, so I want every one of you to just go through this explanation so that you understand the better idea of the chapter and what was the life and the work of Albert Einstein. So dear students, I have given a very detailed explanation. So you go through this explanation and try to just understand the idea of a great person, Albert Einstein, and his theory of relativity, his life, and his work for the how he fought for world peace and non-violence. Okay, this was about Albert Einstein in the detailed manner. You can read explanation by yourself to understand, and it will be very useful, children, huh, in view of your examination and coming up of your test, because one video is also given by other teacher, so I am giving this video also so that this will help you to understand this chapter better way. So this and the idea what is given very given here in this video. So when he was received the Nobel Prize for Physics also given, so you can go this particular, and at the end I have given one exercise for you, that you have to arrange the sentences in the chronological order.